Good morning students, welcome to eSuvidya. Hope you all are fine and safe. Students, look at the following pictures in your book. Are they very common? Is it possible to write poems on such common topics like dog, cat, mouse, rose, cuckoo, etc.? So students, poets have written many poems on these many other or very common themes. So let's read a poem to see how the poet writes poem on a very common thing called cobwebs. So students, what do we mean by cobwebs? By cobwebs, we know spider net. Students, you must have seen spider net in the corner of your houses, or you may have seen the spider nets just hanging in the telephone wires or just near the bushes or trees, etc. So let's see how the poet has written a very magnificent poem, a very interesting poem by looking to very common thing like cobweb. So students, I am reciting the poem Cobwebs. You look at the book very attentively. Poem Cobwebs. The long stretch of cobwebs on telephone wires look white like the weaver's unfinished clothes at the work site. The busy spiders with their ceaseless spindles weave day and night. The setting sun pours into them colors or rainbow bright, but the moon turns them into magic white. The long stretch of cobwebs on telephone wires look white like the weaver's unfinished clothes at the work site. So students, we have recited the poem Cobwebs. So let's discuss the theme of the first and the second stanza of the poem. The long stretch of a cobwebs. What do you mean by stretch? By stretch we know long and continuous. So the poet look to the cobwebs, or the poet looks to the cobwebs that are stretching on the telephone wire. So what do you mean by cobwebs? Cobwebs means spider nets. So the long stretch of a cobwebs on telephone wires. So on the telephone wire, what is happening? A long stretch of a cobweb is hanging there. And the telephone wire, a long stretch means long and continuous. So long stretch of a cobwebs or spider net is there in the telephone wire. Look white like the weaver's unfinished clothes. Like the weaver's unfinished clothes. So what do you mean by weaver? Weaver means one who weaves thread or a cloth. One who weaves thread or cloth. Students, in the present time, there is great mechanization in the sector of manufacturing of a clothes. But till now, there are some sectors where the weavers use their traditional technique for manufacturing of a clothes. So a weaver is a person, one who weaves thread or cloth. So if you visit a work site, of a weaver, you can find that there is a long stretch of a thread are there. Long stretches of a thread spreads there. Spreads means continuous and long stretch of a thread spreads there. So look white like the weaver's unfinished clothes. Unfinished clothes means the weaving of a clothes has not been finished. It is in the process of weaving. So if you visit the work site of a weaver, you will find that what is happening, the weaver is weaving the clothes, and what happened? And you will found long threads are spreading from one part to the other part. Okay, so like here the poet is making a great comparison between the spider net and the threads that are available in the weaver's work site. In the weaver work site, the poet see that in the weaver's work site, long stretches of threads are there, and also whenever the poet look at to the spider net, he also found long stretch of a net is there. So here the poet is making a comparison between the spider net and the thread that are available in the weaver's work site. Like the weaver's unfinished clothes, unfinished means that is not finished, that is in the process of a finishing at the work site. At the work site means a site where the weaver is weaving the cloth is called the work site. The busy spiders, the spiders are always busy. The spiders are always busy. The busy spiders with their ceaseless spindles. What do you mean by ceaseless? Ceaseless means non-stop, without rest. Take for example, sometimes you listen the word that the soldiers declared ceasefire near the border. What do you mean by ceasefire? Ceasefire means to stop firing. Ceasefire means to stop firing. Ceaseless means non-stop. Okay, ceaseless means what? Non-stop. So, ceaseless means without any break, without taking any rest. Okay, without taking any rest or a non-stop. So, the busy spiders with their ceaseless spindles. What do you mean by spindles? Here spindles means here spiders weaving instrument. Here spiders weaving instrument. The weaving instrument that is used by the spiders is called spindles here. So the spiders use their spindles in order to prepare the beautiful and magnificent spider net. Okay, so here the poet is talking about the spindles of the spiders. So the busy spiders with their ceaseless spindles weave day and night. Weave day and night. Weave means they continuously started weaving day and night. Whole day and night they continuously start weaving without any break, without taking any break or without taking any rest. They continuously or starts weaving the spider net. Okay, so this is about the theme of the first and the second stanza of the poem. So students, we have discussed that sometimes we look very common things in our surroundings, but a poet look at these common things and write a very magnificent and a very beautiful poem. Very beautiful poem. What is appearing common to us appear very beautiful in the eye of the poet, in the eyes of the poet. So the poet look at very common things in the nature, and nature is the old source of a beauty, and nature is the old source of enjoyment and happiness. And when the poet look at to the beauty of nature, then automatically he become mesmerized, he become very much happy, and automatically he write very beautiful poems looking at the common objects. So here we have seen how the poet is writing a very beautiful poem looking at the common objects like the cobwebs. So by cobwebs we know the spider net. The poet look at the spider net and see the long stretch of a cobweb. Long stretch means long continuous spider nets is appearing what? And they are hanging on the telephone wire, and it is appearing just like what? Just like the weaver's unfinished clothes that are available in their site, in the work site. So here the poet make a beautiful comparison of the weaver's unfinished clothes with the spider nets. And in the second stanza we have seen that the poet tells the spiders are working day and night. Throughout the day and night they are working, and they are working non-stop, ceaseless. Ceaseless means without taking any break, without taking any rest. So they are working non-stop. How they are working? With their spindles. Spindles means here the spiders weaving instrument. So they are non-stop working. They are working non-stop day and night, just like a weaver. So just like the weaver, they are also working day and night. So students, these are the theme of the first and the second stanza of the poem Cobwebs. So let's find out some new words and let's write their meanings. The first word is cobwebs. Cobwebs means spider net. Spider net. Spider net. Second one is stretch. Stretch means long and continuous. Long and continuous. Third one is weaver. Weaver means one who weaves. Weaver means one who weaves thread or cloth. Next one is ceaseless. Next one is ceaseless. Ceaseless means non-stop. Non-stop or without rest. Without rest. Next one is spindles. Spindles means here spiders weaving instrument. The last word is pours. Means gives in plenty. Gives in plenty. So students, these are the new words from this poem, Cobwebs. So you read this poem very attentively and try to use these words into meaningful sentences of your own. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.